Okay, today I'm going to be teaching how to make a really good trick paper airplane. And let's get started. So you're going to need to start off with a sheet of paper. And then you want to make a valley fold as shown. So valley fold it. So you see the valley fold. It's a really good one. And then you want to open it up and do it to the other side, as shown. Make it a really good crease. There you go. So after you do that valley fold, you want to open it, and then you're going to want to flip it over, and then push in right there. And then you're going to make a mountain fold going over. Make it like a little square, or rectangle. It's shown. After you make this rectangle, you're going to want to open it. Then keep it like this, where it shows the mountain. See, a mountain fold is like where it's mountainy. And then you want to push down. Then after you push down, fold these up, and then lay the paper down. Make sure they're lined up right beside each other. Then flatten these out. Push in. After you push in, it's a good one. And then after that, you're going to want to fold the left side up. Well, you're going to have to do this both sides. You're going to fold them up. So, see, it was like that, and then fold this up. And then you're going to want to do the other side. The same thing. And then after that, see this edge goes up into there. So there to there. I'm going to make a triangle. Make sure it's a good crease. And do it to the other side. Good creases. Alright, and then fold these up. Just don't crease them. These we're going to need them. And then you want to get your scissors and then cut straight down the center, but not all the way to the bottom. Only a little bit, like as shown. And then you want to get them all right beside each other. There's two pockets right there. If you can see those pockets, right there, yeah. Keep them open. So you want to open them up, and then get this and stick them in the pockets. And then you might have a little extra rubble, and then you're going to want to fold that in there too. After you do this, you see, we're almost done. You only need 2 more folds. You're going to want to fold that just in like about maybe 1.5 centimeters.
After this, we're going to show ourselves.
Okay, and then I'm going to show some flight. So, here it is. So I'm going to start a little bit downward and I'll go up and start doing the flip.
I didn't get that. Make sure it goes up.
Correct. Then it goes, there's another little straight one. Flip, landed, and let's land. Then you can like stick 2 fingers in there, like not all the way in, then you go up. It'll do a little awesome flip. And that's all I got for this video, so
See you guys.
like, comment, subscribe,
Yep.
rate, peace.
See you.